In today's video, I'll teach you how to copy a comment on Instagram. First of all, what you have to do is launch up an Instagram application. You can see over here, Instagram application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now, what you have to do is simply find the post from which you want to copy the comment. Once you do that, tap on the comment icon that you can see on the screen. So the Instagram does not really have the feature to directly copy the comment, but if you really want to copy the comment, what you can do is simply use this trick. You can use Google Lens in order to copy the comment. For that, what you have to do is simply take the screenshot. Long press on the volume down button and the power off button. After you do that, you can see over here the screenshot will be taken. Now go to your gallery application. After you do that, you'll be able to see that screenshot has been taken. What you have to do is simply tap on that particular screenshot. Now over here at top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to find three dots. Tap on it. Now you'll be able to find the option for Google Lens over here. Tap on it. Now you can see over here Google Lens will be opened. Now from here you'll be able to select the text. What you have to do is simply long press on the text of the comment. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to select it. Drag the highlight in order to select the comment. Now after it has been selected, tap on the copy option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the text has been copied. So like this, you'll be able to copy the comment. So that is how you copy a comment on Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.